Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As today we're going to talk about the feud between Tamar Braxton and The Real. As you can see today, Tamar appeared on the Wendy Williams show, and The Real had something to say about that. Say they had asked her to come on the show, and Tamar was saying that she's not helping anybody get their ratings up, allegedly. So as you can see, the feud is getting really nasty, because there's a lot of leaked text messages allegedly over on Tamar's Instagram, and also The Real are defending themselves and all these things. So you know what we're interested in seeing is Wendy's reaction to her show, on her show tomorrow, because The Real also said that, "What's good, Wendy? Thank you for calling our show cute, and we're award Emmy winning show." So you know that's gonna get very interesting. Is either Wendy gonna respond tomorrow, which Wendy's the queen of shade, so I'm more than likely she will respond. Well guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Remember guys, these are allegations, so take what you want from it. Please don't send any hate to anyone, and please check out Tamar's and The Real's Instagram for more information. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video. Thank you.